Welcome back to Pig and Beef. Today we're going to be smoking some balsamic tri-tip on the Yoder pellet smoker. We've got a 2-pound, almost not quite 2-pound tri-tip here that we're going to get in a balsamic vinegar marinade that we've made up. We've already made up the marinade. We'll put the recipe in the description below. But before we do that, there's just a tiny little bit of trimming. You can see that this is a really nice tri-tip. It's got really nice marbling, you can see there, but just a little bit of trimming, not a whole lot, just kind of little bits of fat or silver skin that you want to remove. That's just going to be a little chewy when you're eating it. But other than that, there's not a whole lot of prep work for this. We've already got this marinade mixed up. The main things that are in there is it's got olive oil and balsamic vinegar as a base. You'll be able to see the full recipe description in the description below. But what we're going to do is we've got a gallon Ziploc bag. We're going to put the tri-tip in there. We're going to put the marinade on top, and we're going to get it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours just to let the meat soak up all the flavor in the marinade. When you're closing this up, you want to make sure you get as much air out of the bag as possible, as well as make sure that the meat gets fully coated in the marinade. You may want to just about halfway through come back in and just move it around a little bit again just to make sure everything gets coated. But now that we've got it marinated, we'll get this in the refrigerator about 2 hours, and then we're going to get it out on the Yoder. Hey, we're out at the Yoder YS640s pellet grill. We've got it set to 275 degrees. We're using oak pellets today. What we're going to do is we're going to reverse sear this. So we're going to put this on. We're going to let these come up to temperature around 120 degrees. At that point, what we're going to do is we're going to take it off. We're going to wrap it in some foil with some butter in there, and then we're going to crank this thing up as high as it'll go, and we're going to put a sear on it at the end. So we'll get this on real quick. We'll put a meat probe in there. We're really wanting to make sure we're keeping track of the internal temperature. Like I said, around 115, 120 degrees is when we're going to pull it off and wrap it before we sear it. We've been going about 45 minutes now. Our tri-tip is right around 115 degrees. We're going to pull it off, wrap it in some foil with some butter in there while we crank this thing up to get the final sear on it. So let's take a look and see how it is. It's got some really nice color here. Okay, we're going to remove the hatch on our deflector plate here. And what we're going to do is we've got some grill grates we're going to place down to get a really good sear mark on our tri-tip. We're going to crank this up as high as it'll go. It should only take a few minutes to get up to temperature before we come back out and sear this. We've got this cranked up, and we're going to get some sear. Got to get a good sear on this. We're going to go about 30 seconds and then rotate it. We're going to pull this off and call it good. got great flavor. Balsamic vinegar in the marinade. Super easy recipe. Give this a try. It doesn't take very long. The results are amazing.